Delicious chicken kaleji recipe. So juicy and marvelous. Cooked by Shabina. Let's make 1 kilogram kaleji. Cut it into small pieces. 3 large tomato paste. 2 chopped large peas. 1 tablespoon namak, half tablespoon lal mirch. Half tablespoon kudi lal mirch, 1 tablespoon pisa garam masala, half tablespoon kali mirkat. 1 tablespoon pisa dhania, 1 teaspoon haldi. 1 tablespoon lesan adrak paste. 1 bowl dahi. Add 1 cup oil in pan. Add lesan adrak paste. Cooked well. Add kaleji. Cooked well. Add peas. Mix well. Add spices. Mix well. Add tomato paste. Mix well. Cover it for 5 minutes. Open it. Mix well. Marvelous. Add dahi. Mix well. Cooked until its water absorbs. Add some kasuri methi. Yummalicious kaleji. Add haramirchin. Haradania for garnishing. Mix well. Cover it. Yummy, delicious chicken kaleji. So delicious. Ready to serve. Chicken spicy kaleji. My special recipe. Subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.